These are 5 things you've heard about the closing date that are wrong. Mohammed, tell us more.
1. You went to do a final inspection, property's a mess, appliances aren't working. You think that you can avoid closing the deal. That's not correct. You still have to close the deal, but you can go after the seller via small claims court after the fact. 2. The property is in the condition you expected it to be. You may have heard that you can ask your lawyer to do a holdback. Problem is, unless it actually says in an agreement, your lawyer cannot force a holdback. 3. It's the day of closing. It's almost 6 p.m. You don't have your money ready. The seller does not have to grant you an extension. They can actually sue you for damages, even if you have the money ready the next day. 4. You're a super prepared person. You booked your movers way in advance. You decided to call them in for 12. Don't do it. You may not actually get the keys up until 4 to 6 p.m. on the day of closing, and you don't want to be paying movers 4 hours for doing nothing. 5. Try to avoid buying and selling on the same day. You may have everything ready to go, but if the person buying from you sends your lawyer the money at 5 p.m. and your person you're buying from, their trust account closes at 5:30 p.m., you may not be able to close your property and you may end up homeless for the day.
Ricky Rathore, broker at RE/MAX Metropolis, real estate lawyer at Rathore Baig Professional Corporation. We'll see you again next time. Bye for now.